everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. We have a skin removal video for you today. So this gentleman had some excess skin in the ear canal, which was just blocking the ear canal completely. Couldn't get any sound through. So lots of reduced hearing on this one side. So we're going in with a standard Zollner tube first of all, just to see if we can get a grip on this skin, just remove it. And you can see it all pulling away there. Now, we have a little bit of excess skin left at the top of the ear canal, so we're just going in with this much smaller Zollner tube now, so the ENT fine end here, just to probe this. The reason we're not going in with a standard for this one is because that skin will vibrate in the end of the suction, so it will cause a lot of whistling, which is quite uncomfortable for the patient. When we take a deeper look though, this actually isn't the eardrum. We have a second layer of skin that's formed in the ear canal. So we're just going to go in and just see if we can get some suction on this. It's just making contact with the skin now, and there you go. You can see another section, another flap of skin being removed. A little bit of excess skin here on the left hand side. That's now been removed, and that reveals the eardrum, which looks nice and healthy. So if you liked the video today, then please like, share and comment below. Thank you very much.